Welcome to CapCut Video Editing tutorial for beginner. First, import your media. Select and open. Drag and drop. Very nice. This is our media and timeline, properties and preview. If you want to zoom in, zoom out your timeline, see you can zoom in, zoom out your timeline. This way. Aspect ratio you can change. Vertical for shorts and reels. Square for Facebook and Instagram. Horizontal for YouTube. Bigger preview. Split, cutting and deletion. Now I want to left side cut. Click this. Now I want to right side cut. Click this. Now I want to split middle. Click this. Tag right side. Click this. Now I want to delete this. This way you can cut and delete. Also have more way for delete, for cut. See, I can cut like this way, dragging by its. Okay, Ctrl X by delete, like this. Freeze frame. Click this. See, now freeze frame. Reverse. If I click this, it starts reversing. Say reverse. Rotation. Click this. Say this way you can rotate. Also you can here also rotate like this. Cropping. For cropping, go to this tool and select which part you need. Click confirm. Adding audio. Go to audio tab. Click plus. Say audio come here. If you want to take audio from your computer, click here and select and open. Audio customize. Go to right side. Go to basic. Then volume up or volume down. Fade in. Fade out and many things you can do. Noise removal also. Voice change, lot of effect and speed up, speed down. You can do many things with your audio. Adding text. Go to text icon and here is your default text. And go to effect, lot of effect here, and go to template and see lot of special text. This is your default text and this is your special text. You can customize it right side your way. Scale up, also here scale up, scale down, and you change your text. First delete, write something. Like this way you can add any kind of text. Adding sticker. Go to sticker tab. Lot of stickers are available with animation, without animation. I take this sticker. Resize it and position it. Also scale up, scale down here also. Now play. See how. Very nice. Adding some special effects. Adding effects. For adding effects, go to effects tab. You can see lot of effects are available. I take this. Now you can customize right side everything your own way. You can use your footage own way. Very nice effect. Adding transition. Go to transition effect. See lot of transition are available here. I take this. Click OK. Now I play this. See how. Nice. Lot of transition available. which is perfect for you, you can use. Adding filter. Go to filter. See, a lot of filter are available here. Use any of them. I right now use this. Same before filter and after filter. Nice. Adjustment layer. Go to adjustment layer. Take adjustment layer. How long you need. Now customize. Go to basic. See, increase or decrease. See, I increasing red color. Customize your own way. See, before and after. Nice. Like this way you can customize. Vintage, like cinematic, ऐसा saturation. You can play with this different color. Only for green color you can increase tree color. See, very nice. Like this way you can color grade your footage. Video speed. Go to speed and here you can see speed up, speed down. If I give speed up, then you see clip very shorter. If I give lower, then you see clip very upper. That means now very slow. If I play this, now you see very slow. Now you see very fast. Animation. Go to animation tab. Lot of animation are available here. Right now I take this. See how very nice animation. This is in animation and out animation. Go to out animation. Lot of animation are available here. I take this for double click. Say closing. How closing? Very nice automatic animation. No need to do your own self manually. Very fast. Enhance your footage. Go to enhance tab. Click on face. Increase below. See face more smooth than before. See before and after. Increase whiten. See before and after. Stabilize your footage. Select your footage. Go to basic tab and see below. Stabilize. See start. Stabilizing. After stabilize, complete. Now you see your footage is more smooth than before. Very smooth. Keyframe. Click this and go to this area. After scale up, then go some ahead and go to before position. Now you can see how animated. Nice. Now if you want to rotate this, go to here, rotation, come here, rotate your footage. Come here, take before position. Now you can see how behavior. Very nice. Like this way you can animation. Hi friends, I will upload advanced CapCut tutorial. If you want to get this, please subscribe the channel. Now I export this video. See, go to export tab and give a name what you want to give, and then select your folder, resolution, many things. Okay, keep it same. Then after click on export. Now export is done. If you want to watch advanced tutorial for CapCut video, please subscribe this channel. I will upload soon. Thank you for watching.